It fills the kitchen with that smoky flavor. Can you smell that smoky flavor, Shen?
I thought it was your deodorant. Sorry, bro. Sorry.
Singapore is one of the best places in the world to eat out. It's a food lover's paradise. But that doesn't mean it can't become even better. We are 4 chefs on a mission to create food that's great on taste and just as good for your body.
My brownie rice is gilas. Gilas.
Oh, that's gonna burn.
Taking over kitchens to make classic Singapore dishes healthier.
Everybody do set face.
It's a kitchen invasion.
May the siu tai froth be with you.
We are in Bukit Merah right now, and this place is buzzing. I've heard of a place that may have something that will tickle your fancy.
Please, show me the way to my fancy being tickled. Hey, hello?
Hello.
You are?
Erin.
I'm Chef Bob. This is Chef Shen.
Hi. We have a proposal for you. We want to invade your kitchen. It's not as scary as it sounds, okay? We like to take a special popular dish that you have and remake this dish into a healthier version while retaining the essence of the dish. Do you think we could do that?
Okay, you choose a dish.
Maggi Goreng.
Maggi Goreng. Can. Are you going to cook?
Oh, of course not.
Oh, no.
I'm gonna get our Maggi Goreng specialist.
See, Shen, this is the Maggi Goreng, man.
That looks awesome. So, Erin, tell us, what is Kampong Café famous for?
We started out as a small roti prata stall in 2009. And eventually, we started with Chinese, and then we went to Indian and Malay dishes. So today, you get to try one of our best as well, on the Malay side.
Can I tell you a secret?
Yes, please.
I've never had Maggi Goreng before.
Never ham.
In your adult life, never tasted Maggi Goreng before?
Even in my baby life, no.
What? Makcik, I makan
try
first.
lah, makan.
Okay. Yes. What do you think?
It's fantastic.
You have the mamak flavour from the achar, from the Chinese, the checha flavour from the wok hei, and the Malay, she has the sambal. So this is the Singaporean dish, man. And I think we will have a hard time making this into a healthier version. We need inspiration. I think you know. Yes?
Victoria? Vic!
Mana kau?
Hi, everybody. Okay, what are we having here?
Maggi Goreng, man.
Maggi Goreng.
That's gonna be a tough one,
Yes.
but no worries. Here's some turkey bacon. So remember, do not fry this. Instead, consider a healthier option like grilling or roasting instead. Next up, spring onions. Spring onions contain vitamins A and C, which is helpful for good health. Last but not least, tofu.
Oh, lama be power, makcik.
It's bean curd, correct. Now, soy-based products like tempeh and bean curd has minerals like calcium and iron and an important antioxidant called isoflavones.
Isoflavones.
Very good.
Yes. Makcik.
So isoflavones may help in lowering bad cholesterol and it may improve immune function.
So, Makcik Erin, can we invade your kitchen now? Boleh, Makcik?
Boleh.
Shall we?
All right,
Shall we,
take it
Shen?
away, chef.
Let's go. Always eating.
Let's go. Makcik! Let's go, man!
Makcik joget aku kan.
Guys, remember what's at stake here? The best dish needs to be healthier and equally as delicious. And not only that, the winner will get the golden spoon. All right, guys, you only have 30 minutes to reinvent Maggi Goreng. Let's get cooking.
Okay, Shen. what are you doing with your Maggi Goreng to make it healthier?
So it's going to be chock full of vegetables, and I'm also going to poach the chicken so that you're going to get juicy chicken with all that flavor, but healthier.
Maggi Goreng lah, still.
Yes.
Mine better, man. I'm gonna do is okonomiyaki Maggi Goreng lah. Mine is
Vegetables,
full
yep.
with cabbage. Yeah? You will add that texture, the crunch, and also the fiber inside it. You know?
Yep.
Hopefully this will work because it's the first time I'm doing this. First time I'm doing this. So I can see you have prawns.
Prawns are chock full of lean protein,
Yeah.
right? There's hardly any fat in there. I'm peeling the prawns, and I'm saving the heads and the shells, and then I'm going to add the chicken stock in there to create a complex, savory, flavor-packed stock, which I'm going to use for the mee when I goreng it.
And did you realize, Shen, we are using oat instant noodle. More fiber, healthier.
Hey, bro,
Okay.
can you cook for me also, no?
You want to cook also? Okay, get up. Serious,
Yeah.
See, gentleman, okay? All right. So what I'm doing is running over water so that it stops cooking. So it's still springy. See? Beautiful.
Don't drop any.
I have all this batter, right? All the flour, corn flour, plain flour, right? And to make the batter much more thicker, right?
Yes.
I'm going to use silken tofu to bind it together. Add in a boost of protein inside my okonomiyaki, all right?
Okay.
What do you think so far?
I think it's going to be interesting. It's a different take altogether from what we normally serve.
Masakan cebok ni tak sama macam saya masak tradisional. Saya akan try cebok nak masak macam mana lah.
Shen seems to be taking a more traditional approach.
I think for her first time, yeah, I think she's doing a great job. We're excited to try and see what's going to be like.
The stock is boiling hot, and what I'm going to do is poach my chicken. So poaching is a healthier method because it is liquid, not fat, that carries the heat to the food and cooks, in this case, the chicken to its moist and juicy and tender. You have to learn that smoke. Sorry, bro. Sorry. Are you okay?
Hey, I got Bob patch already, hello! Careful with the fire.
I didn't mean that for real.
I know. Okay, my turkey bacon. This will add more flavor into my okonomiyaki. So the thing about this okonomiyaki, right, you need to have a steady, small fire. Yep, just like that, so that it won't get burned, right? It just gets charred. Charred and burned, two different things.
So I'm using firm tofu, which is delicious, and it is full of protein, and it's low in fat.
Oh my God!
Nearly flip onto my face.
Laki yang skillful, yeah. Never kena.
You're pantat.
In slow mo, you can see my face like this. Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm done, bro. Yeah, baby, yeah. Yeah.
Now, I'm gonna garnish it with my chicken, which has been poached. All these beautiful green things.
Bro, let's go, bro. My food is dying, man. Come on. We need to serve this hot.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
It is Maggi Goreng time. Remember what the stakes are? The winner will get the golden spoon and, more importantly, bragging rights. Remember the two criteria? Not only does it need to be healthier, it also needs to have the yumminess and essence of the original dish. So why don't we start with you, Chef Bob?
So, in front of us is the okonomiyaki Maggi Goreng, which has lots and lots of cabbage, lots of onions and all the vegetables inside, together with oat noodles. And I add a hint of turkey bacon to get the smoky flavour, makcik. Up sikit. But still healthier and retain the yumminess.
So my dish is in the same tradition, the essence of the Maggi Goreng. There's prawns, there's chicken, there's paprika, there's cucumber, there's calamansi lime, there's chili. What's there not to love?
Shall we eat?
I'm stressed.
I feel stressed too.
Pos okey jugalah.
Okay.
Ini pun ni okey tengok.
How about you, Erin? What do you think of the dishes?
I like both dishes actually. I feel this one, it captures the essence of our dish. This one, it's very unique. I've never tried my entire life Maggi Goreng okonomiyaki.
I can't say it too.
Okonomiyaki.
Okonomiyaki.
Yes!
Yes.
It doesn't deviate too much from our actual taste.
So you both need to choose one winner. Can I get a drum roll? Ready in 3, 2, 1. The winner is Chef Bob. May I get the golden spoon?
Thank you, brothers!
Present.
I love you, man! Thank you, man!
Sudah.